my grandmother, yeah, sent her. Did she depend on her brofo? She didn't. Go see the castle. Go and see the people they got there. Dr. Kwame Minimshi, he's there. Professor Dr. Mwasam Kwana Mishan, he's there. Dr. Professor Emeritus Kitwabia Namijedi, he's there. Nana Kuntumpo the first, he's there. You know, Evangelist, Bishop, Asorisika Kwana Miya, they're there. You know, they don't do nothing for you. We have no water. We have no light. Look, a small road they're building. They can't do it. From Accra to Kumasi should be a 4-lane highway. Stand up for your rights.
Okay, welcome back to the studios of Sompa 93.1. Mekwa homano so sene enra enano pede to manim na yane Mr. Benjamin Kwaten Frimpom Pharmacy Council Penny or Wasante Mantem to drink komo. Opani Sompa emoache.
Yeah,
Bom to say.
So nyamiado.
You know about the ase. What a Roma near tea no say abrante bi mami bi de ne back of pharmacy senka wakopa drama no with either say a doctor's prescription and now say abia or koye ne man dra my own the story itself na abofra no so wedi saying na so far na mo be na pharmacy council mo so matu
ri opanyi medawasi na machia otiefo nyina say on the 5th of this month, July this year, 2023, and you Krata be free regional health director. Nane Musem said when you Krata free the director of health services, Quabri East Municipal. So BB Akosu registered facilities, maybe a pharmacy or Kenya Sedmo, a live dream pharmacy. The Muslim in the Okanya said, last year, 5th August 2022, a branch of William Fienum. Kramakan, the Nawofo, Edimrika, the Nikura pharmacy. So Moko, Aman. Na, and of course, a brow do honor, Nipa no honor. A share situation, and no, yes, Obewo, Omok Abofana Pania, that is 8 years injection. We are nowadays pain reliever, HSF pack suspension, and my immune booster, vitamin C syrup, and now the antibiotic, muscular suspension car. We are no catcher now for the set. Near Bofrani here in Biano, why, it's whom he has said, Omubitu and Amon Bia, and also Omeka coffee, I serve for at Wasu.
Okay,
Here should be the Ombit Makofi. Nti omukọ ofie no usome ba ko pepepe ni na miensa na akwara ni film, that is 8 September 2022.
Okay,
Nti ekodare asam ne kodan Kwabri East Municipal Health Director no ono so to ne bo ase ye nhwehwemu. Nti omuwie no mu say ye rabies disease ne kun akwara no yare friend rabies ne kun abofra no na ni nyina ne say treatment course wo pharmacy ho na enwe mu pay nti o maya swati de akoso na anamontu ayebitu se ne be ya sa de ni bi nsibi nti Brian Saka krata no fit no 7th of this month, yeah, that's last week Friday in na yetu anamo eko Kenya si edumam live dream pharmacy ho na abra yekodu ho no na ya rehosem se niema ntwayi baako na pharmacist bi ani ho yeti amisi sa point yi so ne se abra akora na call pharmacy ho no se na nka pharmacist bi wo ho a kamenya sure se sa how you
no kebesi
pharmacist bi ani ho ye call ya attendant said ye maame ne ba no koto ye no sa na si ye nipa ho no so ye MCA medicine counter assistant. But when me and my registration number book, Mami Susudia, your pharmacy practicer, you recognize 3 kinds of health professionals: pharmacist, pharmacy technician, and a medicine counter assistant. Judy, who spread here now the lower category in the over the counter for another medicine practitioners.
Okay.
Jupo pharmacy, I expect to see a pharmacist, pharmacy technician, medicine counter assistant. But Mranesi. Tembia you be pharmacy na o say registered pharmacist or premises yanko to bisa nipa nipa ho no so ye medicine counter assistant ya license no the registration number when demand pa mai afi ye to so ko hwe na chese report wa omode ma ye wo letter no say community members ni bibri help directorate or complain say pharmacy ho no injections ni issue no mudi sinko for so no so ye ko ye ni ko hunu bi ya setting lines infusion bottles ye dia me man krofo bani ye dia wo krofo ti ebra hwehwemu ne koso na azu obi nso a ne yere yare de ne ba ho o de ne yere ba ho ne yere ho mfa no ti one ababa wa ne di nkomo no apa ne katre abayo ne se ko be ya ma no se ono nso kan yere no won pane but ye ho ni ti sa de na ntima nkoso ti na chese complaint ayenya ye community members na de ma health director na chese nukredi bi o di yakika nsem ni nyina bo mu no na chese omudwumadie ni mo koso be ha
okay
di ko pharmacy no na se ne bra me no ka say the report ko the head office Accra di additional committee no betnasi no mo afre mo no mo ya hwehwe mu ato na asotwen bi wo ha mo de ma
na wadaroma eya mo ye such random checks mo kosa supervision no
there were many kinds of inspection. Yes, our random in a routine inspection until you go unannounced.
Okay.
Now I could check it. Practice with what is written on paper. They lay down standards. The now only not na agreement and I say Mako Benkrum say ye ma nasi and I in jet to be corrections ABCD. I know the amount of time. You know your scheduled inspection. Who say beba. And at the SCB say no, so investigative inspection. Same BSC and I report to be about the random checks in the air.
Odaroma asama wo kan ba ko a matwema ginesi so sa MCC asede counter assistant no
medicine counter assistant.
Very good. Bebre bi be ko na abrante bi ase ye bie pharmacy ne de ama no se won hwe so. And they give all manner of drugs. Obi ho no ma che say community no my friend doctor preko pen no so so ni tirima ne de na wo ma mabunu e maba wa titiro enro mu di yigo ni ade mu hu bibi say ya asotwe e wo mu no yesen de na momra ne ka
mame ka point bi ansa na maba asotwe ne so emra ma ho kwan ma obi a onye doctor na onye pharmacist na onye registered practitioner so be born hospital na say oye sa practitioner iti amra ti bebre even over the counter for no ye catch you say mo use title say druggist chemist pharmacist because when yes say obi tumra ye hihye mu a you bet me a fine no imprisonment ho anasa na license ye be and I say, you depending on the severity and the circumstances involved.
Of the issue, no.
And the way I need woman, it was enough of a situation.
Mr. Benjamin Quantum from Pom, Medas Yano pay. Okay. And Timua Moton Rono. We a young man, Bina, Obia, be in a pharmacy. Na, oh, yeah. Counter assistant. Eya mo nyehwe ye because mo fa as a community one mo. Ya bo ma se sankofo no mo taje kofo guest pa. Cha medical say counter assistant for no. Medicine counter assistant MCA for.
Drugstore for no mo dey.
Omo aya no
drugstore for no. Hey, no mudi e desa.
The former counter assistant.
Counter the assistant.
Assistant.
Ha, e dro keka we no. E dro keka. O ya maya no.
The medical and medicine counter assistant MCA. What in short MCA. MCA for.
What a drugstore ho na wo kwa wo to para amon bi ni.
Say mu bi na branch no. all come out be bedroom it's a krama kan so krama ni wo rabies
yeah
and now come out in no wie or saka chom so one no ahwe akwala na wie ti mo fa ne nko hospital 1 month time na akwala ne wuye
kwasi pon frame me ana or say o follow similar case no nim say no a
yes, that's the issue. And I'm a pharmacy counselor, Alabama. I'm a close to pharmacy no down. I'm on the court for report because it involved the death of somebody's son. And Bempi, your pharmacy. You see, counter drugs, no, baby, or honoma, Obu or Krana, Unkuta prescription on Tom. But baby, so. Open the second,
I can tell my drone one say.
Because I will not be on ma. It is allowed to say, "Uti me turn or a honomoa."
Yes.
O Cochrana will need a prescription. The mama. Obu also Adam for.
Obey Yamau.
No Yamau. Now go. Self medication be brave. Akoswa ehu.
But I can tell any yaw.
Ne why?
The attorney say, "Yeah, system no. Yeah, the see it to so. Oh, yara kura woko hospital no. E ka woko akobo hospital no.
Pharmacy.
80 senior the tiene ya ne hwene sorry so o media ni bia me koto para me ho to me.
Eti
je ebi kura ne de ni bi da no yi ama no anom.
E wo ball so sia. Oh, uti o ya je para mienu.
Je para mienu. Obeji anom. E system na kwenta. Because hospital ne boarding. Hospital
which hitherto should not be the case.
Yes, I knew can say yes, sir. I him say health insurance say bania dead no and kebeti. I could tell you so call private hospital say. Oh, private hospitals here doctors. E benya da dia shewa. Now kuta be 2000 bi. And I say be 1,000 be 1,005 be.
What they share
chira. What they chira. I chira o shewa. Odo bill papa ne bebrewa. I could forget it. And the money pa bebre na. I resorted to self medication here dia no. Oh here was system nim. I want chira was system nim. I could na hospital ho na work on onim eboa ye de kwa kosia no. Eti di pana ka chira ne say.
Oh I know me hwini mi ti jamisa. Me wo gibido.
Mo
ene agye.
Yes.
Abra won diagnose who say uti no kra bia ye bibi na ba.
Yes. Akotani a problem bebrebe no.
To make your painkillers is here.
To make your painkillers is here. It is system no. I want you ne dosun. It nye ni pa ne pa. Eke system ni flexible say.
Yeah wait. Now this system na chi so a wo ba wo.
Akotani ni ewo no. O say bibi ni gone too soon pa ne yeko. Na no na make asem bi kira asante say yen se ne Nyankopon si boy no se kenya brofo ne system ne kakra bi wo ya hase ya ke betime nya be 100 years 120 years na yetete honom because naturally ye ho den
gradually our life expectancies are dwindling.
Yes akwenta because of sania marketing. How many times na kwenta ye ko check up but boni system no wa ya to honom no kwa makro doctor ne be frefie honom
omo de friend general practice GP.
Yes.
Oh you ka bia won the GP.
Yes.
Ayi array wadamfo yi nani bani bo ha no akra me so wo kọ ayi abrochire
na nani wa ya on fa me
ko akoye den a o call go through the GP for bear you know you did enough through medic ya no ayi test bi also mo ye ni bia bi
nani fam ko
ba asaba aha asante abo atiwe jise ni ti dwana me ebrusu ni abusa yawo ni para
mo akuta ana ya so see very good malaria
be diagnosis say
malaria
u ko to ya anu amenya yi lonat ne ya atesonate de be che me lonat me kra me to e me anu
mo odi be mo anu akuta en
say na onum so ada hoto eti ne say
eti nya ne o enya ya si enya system papa ne bi wo ya ha akuta health insurance yi aseye adwuma asenya adwuma okọ hospital ye ma hu say when na health insurance cover what hospital na the health insurance card that one no ada no kra na abebo ka kesi ada the health insurance card na to no
because the facility there claims on the coin no about 6 months no onya ni sika e also tia the nurses etia non nursing staff etia laboratory niema lab technicians ni asana medical doctors offer omo afin otu omo ka eti se niema ne maya obo be ka kire o say health insurance dey cover new na emom se sia no ye nya problem kakra ntino je say ebia ye pharmacy shop onom ye wono ho je say ton ma wo yare at that moment afi na akwa twene say
bi
oh my god obi mom say bi wo mo nsem no mo car no ontwen maka no nsenu ba bia ansa no dia o date bia na obi a 2 weeks bia na 1 month bia de ko check up sana nka senka ni padua no sitie ye ntwen ma emergency most of the problems they cause nyina emergency cases entu koduru wa na bia aka be bosum mienu miensa wa nya do no bia ma ne pa no betime wu eno ne problem no ade na campo ye wo maintenance ye se ye ko han ye kwa kosisa oil enu 2 weeks bia na se 1 month bia obey na de na nipa de yenye ne sa ye ha no
I don't think can just say oil no cra change na asesa o
she
obi timi twi no oil be 6 months okwa na engine no crank asa na wakai o asante
ye say ye ntwi ye ka se mafusi twi o mo ka no what you say enu sa na ma na bi ye de boy bra senke ade a ye systems no ye adwuma me ya me ka da se je nurses dos one enka wo de Ghana for mo se Ghana ni on person baba hospital entinka bosum ye nu bia no yenko fi ye take o mo temperature keke because bo ho a wonim temperature okọ ye ya ye wasoro ehona etimani flu
ya woni mu genotype
asa akotami nim
me de ye dey
na no ya na me ko hu me blood group na me de ye dey akosa me de ye dey
we all dey make sure
na no ya na me ko hu me blood group na me nim
genotype
minim
ya asante udi dina me na kona honam nyo ya wodi wo genotype no blood group no wodi ko ye dey
me de ye dey
what would you make sure no which is also of importance say oni pa bi also hu whether who your sickle cell or wonye e wo so hu this oba ne be ware ansa no ma ko check ya say we A ana AS ana AB ya fact tie
David ya contact
and it is so dangerous.
Yes.
It brings me when you mention this nursing thing. Che ananu na mu dis ankomo no abana nhwe ya ho in a year or two adano ya wo ne Jones Kasai me yamu se me
very dangerous.
so am panic for e buy and a brain drain and the nurses reaching out put niema in place. It looks like this very government not Jene Maso Minister of Health Kokwa Ajimamenu so wabre onko jina home Ghana Health Service Director wabre omoni oma home she ananu abrante ne ma figure bi or say 5,000
okay
now we are recorded cases one more man fa ankoji letter ankono omo dosu che omo a omo koji letter call
akota mentwa no wow yonko brebo pa Dr. Frank Srebo
yes
yes be medical
yes so see nurses ni nyina e kwa abrochire
eja no hono mo ko en omo so na betete green ones
na ba no
for no and akota se ko comfort to crowd is serious o
yes
say nurses na even hospital no crab ya support omo am upgrade omo ho ne ade no experience once na eto ne ade omo betima hold for fansa na doctor ba no omo nyina virtually
they are gone
omo ko
300
omo ko ye no kwan de na Jones kan say bu ho abana so na send ne ko US South Africa
so the issue is you raise an issue to the man say adan na ban no any UK buy no any contract. Other on Canada, America ban any contract. Cuban government, Cuban doctors.
I do mobile.
One mobile no more. Unim sika. Cuban doctors, Cuba buy no enya. They are exporting brains.
Yes.
Yet your nurses are more senior there. 10 years, 15. Yes, you're afraid to be islet. So I'm more trying to know. Onya the big crab Hamadjo office. Amatro islet, Bompire Mammy, and me and pass it.
I could tell you also Bompire man. Now could tell you a salary, Joseph,
or see 800 and say,
or sit 7,000. What call for Fronoa? What could do for no US?
Would specialize
here?
$7,000
as compared to Ghana has here a school I for a Juma.
So 7,000 by 10,000 $2 10. 70,000 a month.
Yes.
700 million. 700 million, no. ontia ne edanka ontia bibia o de onya $5,000.
Yes.
What if I say onya $5,000 a month? Na fabra Ghana nenya 500 million.
Yes.
CEO ben no Ghana hakra bosumi. Senya kesifo na energy 500 million. Now young boy, young girl.
Yes.
Or 500 million a month. Who's on Ghana?
Yes.
But when man panic afford to me my almost certain things are. Omo the man who daughter.
Yeah.
Samre no, we are nurse in here, we kai free. Samre no, we are nurse in here do kwa krasia, you will sika bi e ma. Doctors ye de ma, accommodation. And the nurse ya to Adea we asarama. Nurse see Johnny, abai boka ehye wo mo. No mo ko.
RCBC GMA4
Ghana Medical Association.
Omunya asase bi abayin sa asinanse
yeah.
ni bi o ha de mo oma de omu sika innovate. Omunya se
yetu omo.
RCC se omu asase yo mo do ma beje flu.
But ya kasa Ghana Medical Association president Asante region. The fear o team o denyame. On say
Bedu.
Dabi Pakwesi Bedu ayin. On o training grounds on na. On say otimi fa soja for no hono mo. E de ko befend for.
Yes.
On say otra deputy Ashanti Regional Police Commander fie no. If you na to aso ni nyina say doctors and etete wono mo. Na omo kra ne de fie ni mo omo na akwa dada nti omo na de sika renovate omo titim. Yesi ye tu omo say obi ato asase no.
Na say asase na wo ho nyina ye ton.
Akuta ene ye tu omo na.
Me say civil servants a good community sa community ho nyina no.
Aton sa asase.
Oh ya ton nyina. Tu wo ha bo say omo de car be si wo. Na almost the same mattress ni omnema. Sansa na war area ho ni nyina no. Aye big competition o.
Na
$500,000 to $1 million.
Pakwesi ka asem bi kire say saade no so no reason a yede ma omo ntia omo tete sa area honom ne ye say akota emergency beba konfanochi anytime especially
senior doctor no ho no
senior doctor no ho no ma ye friend na no watu America ko but this time baby omo te aye closer to konfanochi no ya ton sase na ye tu omo enti also omo kotena outskirts ebia okotena adwoso okotena
fusa ya tunu won grama ya kopa baby manchia baby amana tana we
but enkwasem ne ye kan you enti doctor no on friend emergency not ifumenso na on to car so omra konfanochi emese bi ni panani.
The whole issue now is nurses I work Ghana auxiliary nurses any sa nurses are more trained senior nurses no. It will shock you say obeko sa islet class no. Na nurse already 45 years. O trobi.
Akonta wo tiwo dendende.
So otimi tro no pass ya. Age 45 no. The next 10 years obedi na broche no. The so one fast watch nurse ni o wa 10 times. There should be incentives.
Akonta 5 years per cry oba na brewi. Oba beto adum asase. 5 years oba beto adum asase. So
adentina yentimi nye your system no say. You be create incentive. The nurses that are living on. Enya sem keto o. Say teacher for any opportunity and come there and care better.
BBC omun katwi. Yeah, any BBC for in Kasa local language. Yeah, me church in Ghana for tie.
That is why we are handicapped here. Nigeria. A lot of them pidgin English.
Yes, pidgin BBC, yes.
BBC pidgin English. We didn't pour my employer more Nigeria. It's a young no for cheetah. Young no for cheetah.
Radia, can you send come see? Come quote the daddy.
Where Jai go?
Put us all the macrawa, and that's a vessel name in Sankai. Macrawa, only other what they be a make
you.
Oh, Dr. Craning said, the qua, metal microphone, Papa bread, metal recorders, Eddie bread no so. Send me on the Berman grants up for the name. So, no, my international reporter, Sompa. Hey, I'm a chat to only Tony Black couldn't come. Exclusive. Many American presidents. Exclusive was
no like a Chiana brofo.
Oh, say Asante Boa me
No, but we need to do something about this nursing because the way and manner the nurses are traveling.
Oh yeah.
Hey whoa.
Me
hey whoa.
3 years ago. Na me koko fanochi. Na me ko say nyina say.
Say
e be dimpa say because the COVID never buy na affected my phone more. Ni pode do na say front say o ma.
Yeah, they need it. And na only my dear. Yeah, omu training your nurses very well how. they take them through a whole lot of drill. It is a nurses no copy Australia, opie Canada, all the other African countries. No, the Ghanaian nurses are unique. Yes, you can. You move.
Obi information or the mama crosses. Say nurses in Guam. Teachers, you see, our certain countries be we are good in mathematics.
Yes.
We are good in English. You see, teacher for the nurses, no. And there are other professionals. You see, I said that offer the man say brand be your masters, especially so here. See, boys in Canada pa.
Yes, Canada.
Me masters.
We are no more
yeah. And Canada, sa and she say omo say and then omo younger generation no eninji awo.
I said and I guess I'm not so.
Mo iti omo hu say o say omo so omo biem to say the Americans ni ye na ye wo black Americans, ye wo Indian one ne.
So they are opening them up.
Canada so open up. You see ye other professionals ni bia omo so omo ko gu Canada and it's European countries no. Enya is o ye teacher for no. Teacher no omo asua English kakra ne mathematics no.
UK cry you
math English ko omo ko chen nurses no.
Mami ni komo kakra, mami ko MPP asie ye. Nominee Director of Elections MPP Evans Nimakon to train komo. Mr. Evans Nimakon Sompa Boakye.
I major so.
One pom to say.
About the Adam ahead.
About the say, Ejan say mubie nomination for orphan constituencies. Mukakra. What form is it going to take, sir? Obli the constituency office no akwa form no form ben e take boy kakra.
You on him mama na ase na initiative for. The mechanic say no correct part no ebie nomination ene ekosi abotia yebisima eye 10 in see if we ene 11th July ekosi 10th August yebie nomination for parliamentary primaries ewo orphan constituencies. Orphan constituencies say the party makers a baby ye ni certain member of parliament. And the guy house no ye dikan ebie omo nomination ahead baby certain members of parliament. The opening say ekoba say ya nomination forms no echo to constituency secretary into bia oye party near ohwe your constitution article 12 na criteria no utumi ediso no o akwenya se obeko ye party headquarters or constituency na wakwakofa forms ni ese uyu bia usubanya udedi or constituency ni suban papa so you bia say with dues payment no you are in good standing.
Okay.
So you be a constituency na a war for no our person ukukujina say member of parliament no constituency executive committee no ebejiwatu na say omuni mo say ye ne on ye party adwuma e wo mpeso eso eno echi no party nomination forms na e aban ye obabi a eye undertaking na only party no ebe sign say opese obeko contest ni bi no onye bibia ebebu party constitution no any media. The OPM say say Ghana the constitution and a board mainty. Obey article 94 a chair will be a person of parliament. Niema SSA Udanidi, Usu any obine. As a so you be a way Ghana and Nicrogen. We will be a what you would be in self to.
Okay.
Na empesano so a opese ukujinano. Either say ufriho and now say otiho for some time. Shall we know now would can who say o qualifier? So the capital nomination forms maybe. We are vetting committee beba. Now also up to ano. Not document are the beba so omo ashim. You no not just the aquacoye the kind of say constituency annual delegate conference. Now polling station executives almost constituency now. Electoral area coordinators or more constituency executive committee members and now a patron and a council of elders and so a nipa enum numa bekao na sɛ saa constituency no yɛwɔ foundation member bi wɔ hɔ a mpanyinfo a ɔmo san nkrataa party no ɛde kɔ electoral commission ɛyɛ 1991 no ebi wɔ hɔ saa na wɔn ɔmo akɔka ho na ɔmo ayɛ deɛ ka no sɛ special constituency delegate conference a ɔmo bɛto aba ɛyi deɛ obegyina party na mɛm ɛwɔ mpɛsua no so nti so far deɛ party constitution ka sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛbie for 1 month nti ɛyɛ nnɛ ekosi August 10 nomination yɛbie ubia bɛkɔ party constituency secretariat no wɔ akwanya sɛ ɔde 3,000 Ghana cedi
okay
performance ne bi na emu nso ɔba abɛfaele deɛ a yɛka sɛ yɛnuanom a ɔmoyɛ mmaa yɛnuanom kum a ɔmoyɛ below 40 years yɛnuanom a yɛka no sɛ persons with disability no ɔmo deɛ party ayɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛtua half of the filing fee ɛyɛ 35,000 ntɔhe saa pɛpɛpɛ na ɛno nso ɛte megye sɛ ɛnhyɛ a party de abɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛbu da hɔ pɛpɛpɛ nti obi a ɔwɔ responsibility sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ na watɔn nomination form obi a ɔpɛ sɛ contest no ɔkɔ bi no wobɛdi saa nhyehyɛ a party de aba no so pɛpɛɛpɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛwie no party nyinaa bɛtumi aka ne ho abom atae deɛ dodoɔ no bɛyi no no akyi na yɛakɔ ne akɔ wɔ ne elections a ɛwɔ yɛnim 2024 deɛ ɛkɔɔ so 2020 a ɔbɔ adeɛ nhyehyɛeɛ 137 kɔdii ha 137 kɔdii ha something korɔ baako baeɛ no New Patriotic Party yɛ objective now ne sɛ the next parliament no yɛbɛnya overwhelming majority a ɛbɛboa ama government programs ɔde bɛba no ɛbɛkɔ wano na nyɛ sɛ yɛbɛpaase bill a afei na weinom no ɔmo mpɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛti nti saa nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛhwɛ anim sɛ wama party yɛbɛwie no yɛgyina yɛn nan so paa.
That is well detailed. Evans Makomeda Asianope. Okay. David Boakye, now what to say? Bibi Aboko. Which I know on your training will say? Break date. All right. Oh, yeah, Bruno is secretary. Me never to change command or pay. Now, man, I call Banti. Bruno is for more secretary. Waha. Come on, catch them for now. Facebook. Some partner 3.2. I'm fan to her. No more shabby. Mene. I Bolivia for to change command. You ya na mini David the assessor so ewaha. Na mama ya Boakye akwaba
mejusu
Olivia mo to say
adom na ne kran
bibi aboko Olivia de ya na ne ho ye fe wonyini mbom na ne ho ye fe na ya so fa taste
future life
ya we ya
oda che so bo ho ban
taste de o fa bi o baba woni be serious
na unim say ntina woni pa anim nyina no 26,000 na me ka kire wo se dako wo amanfo ansmalia
no woni makusa
ya
ebi mu de ebi o mo mamre brale
ya abiribia wo mu na wo kosoroba form say nipa no benya pressure
obi o mure mu na
yes
wo nyini dachi benya pressure
yes
onya say obi apem no ba te say situation ne be mu adwendwen te say program anam
o say entina we yanim ne say 26,000 28,000 it was say emu 4 at least anya she in a day
yeah
o dey o 4 dey sesa
ni nyina asere
it was on na man na wa
on say we put to smile on say you UK no wo shia buru ni bia
no osre
yeah ne bibi need ya on sre nti e wadwuma mo say ohu wa was put a smile on your face
yeah it's medicinal
I'm telling you
okay mami din komo ewo ahoma no so hello good morning.
Good morning.
Opening now, what to say?
Pastor Nyame adome ho ye.
Yo. Wo call ya Bolivia, your future life asia ye. E dey na na ye wa wo call ye nne. Wo so betimi don say si ubu say wo ho ye. Ma ye ntiu.
Pastor Nyame adome. Oh, radio.
E ba cha ma TV no volume ni nko from Krawai. Udum TV no kra nka me da wase volume no. Hello.
Mpa show you Martin.
Say a future life.
Hello.
Yes.
Aha, mami ntio.
Okay, me future life me call na me yarpa dem ko to hospital. Baby o dem ko to say I condemn. Just say na mama dro ya mi num so kra na me hwe mi ntimi num dro bia dia nso mintimi ni meti se anwa dia ne kra te de kra na me yafe mintimi ni di be 3 weeks di 3 weeks no ma ni adia ni bia se o se future life di future life na mi di ya di drumra na ya se doctor fanyini ba me se me pancreas me kidney je me yefunu ni ama de no mbeze je se mu
I oh
and me the future life no I told me the future life no the drew baby no nature say I'm a drew cra yi me buy me for so ma omo yi me say ntimi mama drew je me dia duane bia na me hwe me num so cra na me hwe na me for so ye ma yi me yi no cra na omo pese be yi me omo kire say na me amntwe letter bi na me ma omo yi me ansa I just say a dream round, says, Madame, me, Hunia, me, everything, quite preparation, and me, then I just say, Samina, who dear me no future life, no, and media, Fino, me, a friend, Mono, and your mamma, say, I say, no, near Dinano, this year, no, my okay, until future life with the boy, me, pa, me, she said. Udia who say Sawyer and so Bones now near Manina Kama Inti yes, Ubiano say we are in us oko now oh young moon yan a bit me wall.
All right, Openi Abedasi, about your software home. Okay, Emphasia. Yo.
Yeah,
no dear pa, no cost.
Some of the kind, Mrs. Amikram, who dream me. Hey, you do to condemn for 3 weeks. And it has only
so come on one outfit. Yeah, the corn off.
Yeah, when you're making a kid,
office one come back and come home. And we have an office. Only now.
Yeah, nothing Yamia dom or be the future life. Now what you want? Just in some say, Utia, and a can who on your small boy this hour. So take us and go take us and near Fipa. Not in a water, Abra Adriane, a natural food supplement. Yeah, natural food supplement. And na udie o men na epam yare free wo ho me si future life de Omanhene aduane na udie o nanso niema ye no adentra ekura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids selenium monoca inulin dietary fiber omega 3 and ye de egu aduane ba kom se didi na men na mpam yare free wo ho na yare ya wanu maduro sa wanu mnuro no sa no abekum yare ya enunti hwe future life achiri kwa na di aye aduane a wudie enya aduro aduane ankasa na wudie na bra wudie no ebe pam niema afiri ho nti ade na wo tena ho ma bibia beche wansa burunese prevention is always better and cheaper than cure enunti no entra se ema yade bi emo wonto ho ansa no wakopa aduro debe we dia di na obedi aduane no nso ebeboa wo pa yeah
yo unim say future life no de bia ya ka say wo da chi kuta nyankopon de nkwana mai o say so wo pese wo nya 30 years agina wa so wo pese wo nya 120 agina wa so enti die na obeye yes health is wealth wo escape na say wo ni ahoden a enkoye ba kokora enti nuane no wo di no na siesie wo nipadua no enti ntina ho ma yare emfa no mu ansa na the future life ne bo nya de obi 40 cedis ebi 60 cedis enti so ma me wo pressure na diabetes enka say ya japade a so kofa no ade ku ma me na de bia de me ka ho asema se eku ma no pa ne cervical cancer no ni nyina infections na de sa de ne ba ovarian cyst me say infections na de ba be ma wa yemre wo mpam infections na de ba be ma sabe ne be ma ne for infections be ma be nya prostate enlargement and asa cancer infections ezi e wo green tea wo ho a eku sa mo ani nyina na ade ba kwa me dane say o masa de lips bia ye aduro bia me say also life tonic dey be me kan ho asa me say me dey ma na me so of my life if it's a life tonic na ha na Yakobon sha ye ho bo no 28 no mo dey afra e na dey say do no ti bibie yo se wonnom na se wudi na Yakobon na afro e sa bibie chronic bia no e say ifiri ho dey papa yi kan me anya me nwa kire say obi a declare na oji ono ji na order condemn ne bad nurse bi ma ne bad ne ba ho ye ma ne life tonic no me ya papa no sabe oso ja ne night black bi no papa na no mu se wawu no ya papa ya sorry esi na fiofo kura adwane so ho eti life tonic ne ye hahama na Yakobon hye ho bo no ewe enya duro bi akeke eye ade a ebuo nipadua na nkasa na infections kuro ma say na mo ka health asem no say the infections is eku nipa no nti woni say me first doctor no say ma obi aba ho no yare na treat na nkwa ma infections see no ebeko say eye ampa so obi wa infections na the head nipa bebrani ya na omunim aha so wani yo yakoya na ama waduro na ade guso debia na ekofom it is a more than what will be treatment for prostate enlargement cancer when ni someone na a enya de beko and as oba wonya cervical cancer na obehu oba bia sabe o say nsuo bi firi maseba oba be chaben se na oblidi moja eba ubumbu ni nyina be say it is one be nom sa green tea na me se ma mi bi de ote won go no ote ase ha twen ote em se ote em tie si no say ade ye mini ye di tea ni man no was ma de nti bibia anim dan ye ni the free hakoye so enti sa wo betina ho na yare afa no ma Ghana ha de sa wan kasa wa anyo ho doctor wo be wu bra Yakobon frɛ ho enti ni nyina so be hwe adidie ye sa wan hwe adidie ye yare bebre be fa wo nomum wo nante kakra no abrɛ enuma na be kroma no so nye ye di ne nam se sabe ye ni sika ni nti no obi adi bibia keke obe men enye die wuti wo didie bisa se die nti na wudi aduane no so obenya bibia free mansa so untimi nwa akwala afoforo na nkofa fufuo mani ni obewu sesi a enti wuni paduane de ne hia ehia nutrients and vitamins eni nyina so future life mu enti wudi no na esa etu mu nyarewa enti Brian so e ho obi wo ha sabe ne be makofo mpo so kono no maduro wakoma bete na wawu agya oba no so wonum ti ni pa bibia ha obia be ko e green tea ne ko so nya den eti saa ne ma ne na ha kidneys obehu ya se kidney akun some infections no emo anu ba mu sa timi sell kidneys na afi na ekọ wani air block tubes untimi nyam so eti ni nyina na future life o da che ehu hia me ma yare pen yare ya eti so hu so obi yare a na wonu bia yare a de make obeti ase enti na onyare ansa na the future life
numbers ni tuja
yo so full alignment
yeah yo so full alignment here interchange no soro ho no a wode wani a kire patase no enu nti won wakane pa sebi won nim komasi yie no na wo branch kwakwa da so estate wo branch na ni opposite ya yes sandboard kase ye future life bra honom ye adwuma adwoada edikose memeneda kosi ada nko na ye ma ye numbers ni 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 and a number for 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 future life here Adrian Yankasa
ne DB
ne DB
and welcome.
Oh my good morning.
Now pom to say.
Nyame adom me ho ye pa.
Ye do ba de aseso do abeka ensa. Menim say Dr. Mahmoud Bawo me Alaji the vice president ka ho titiro kranti na onama sante mantema. Na mobile so ma probo na ti say.
Omame dase. Mame ma wahe phone yeti phone na chisronko. I is so wonderful. Me jidi say na yinim say asantemai edo ira Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. But yesibu no ihunu ne sronko. Free and nay seize day. The win na say 24 constituencies. By end of Enra na 20. There is no place.
Absolutely no place.
Yenya less than 95% attendance. Na attendance no so ba ho keka no echre se nipa na oba no de akoma pa. Na onim ne a opentra oba. Starting from commissioning of the office. Nana Cancer Board aye Adea Akye Abia. Na yenyina bidu aye hodri. Na obidra santemai abeye all sites. Ena Dr. Mahmoud Baumia campaign abeye competition. Ubia pese yehu se ono na eye ne kese.
Okay.
Nti se we hu se we yi we a ese se me ye ne ebroso. Ti efri ase na Cancer Board yewura Ashanti region. First point ya Asokwa regional office kese a waya ma doctor ena yekubue yebu ewie ye no ena yefra se o subin to Manshia North to Swami to Manshia South for the first day. Overwhelming. Now here ho keka akandifo no did make us say Manshia Swami chairman enema Bible quotation dia because you be there guy you keep academics to say Bible quotations so I can be trim. 1 Corinthians 15:9-10.
What's it there now?
O say nanka me nsem fata say ye frame say me ye wudwuma ye ni ana osomfo. Na nso so wadoma e wo me sunti me kura me ba akire no
me sen adikanfo
no nyina. Na o twa nwuma hodo. One professor now a doctor Swami MC.
Oh yeah.
Twanenwum. She say abeye se competition this year can win na chama ya can win there say so mitimi ekoni say.
O say na many asomafo no mu akuma.
Yes.
Men say wo frame me asomafo. If you say meta onyankopon asafo no.
Yeah.
Onyankopon adom nti na mete se na metie yi. Na adom a ode adom me no anye kwa. Na emo me ye adwuma bebre. Mesene wo nyina. Enso nyame a na emo nyankopon adom a e ka me hu no a.
Quotation as Swami for Edema. And it's been said every place. Now no war Adanse Asokwa chairman the quotation say obi be catch re say was it na munyanti efiri omo e wa ban ma bizano so no ni constituency polling station for asetenam to say.
Oh okay.
Adanse Asokwa chairman. Ndu ko dru ba bia obi e pe bibi obeka e kire say adwuma no omo na GS omo so sen obi foforo. And it's been so good. Endra, you drew jobbing for MP no, at the team name, at the picture be a Dr. Baumia at a different time, Neri at a different time, at the peak of COVID. Na bebre into me PSA, be kwa boy jumano, pie be boano. To display picture na ye ni portrait kese ano present my doctor say on fa say picture no kai say eno na dwabin for the percentage obenya no bia no on hwe say picture no say eno na e produces a percentage no.
Wow.
Nti abeya dansidie opon adansidie say na anu ada na ekokumawu. Every party leader bia bakumawu. Bakumawu for including Minua Ernestia Wanim, Adansidie ne say Vice President be di 4 days wa coming home. Obia baby dear, but no be di 4 days. But Kumawu 4 days. Eboame. Nti near ye kwa ye huni, and unim one unique thing. Nipa ni nim say, Oma play high roles, other camps. None. They play leading role. And His Excellency the Vice President. Bakupa wodim yura afag. Doctor and I were free.
Yeah.
If you just have to Korean MP.
Yeah.
Now I drew hono. Mijidi say if you just know every polling station executive, every electoral area coordinator, constituency officers, Kronumu Zongo leaders. Ebayo at the Roman sorry dan kese I wo dwabin. In fact, you say starting na sorry dan me fa ne say yes can sopa ne sopa yes so media yi terrorista. Na bia pese ye hu say ade no waje aboso. Nti we took some time and san etimi clear the frontage. Etimi started program no. Oh, Fijansia Sokore. Nti it's been overwhelming. Now no akrufum. Chama no catch the doctor say ye nimu ne wa ye ama yen. MP no je MP no say obi an na chame ama ne mani ji amanyo semu a eye wo Dr. Baumia. Nti I believe na bia ni ho ayakwa. Hwe wahu abaya bia nwensema aye viral.
Yeah.
Atwamampunia nyina hi. Hono free. And said the Mekanra Jabin Chairman was say doctor ye ne coordinator wa kai me. What me ato antimunta mechi. Now untim say Ashanti region one thing I have come to see is that there is a click between leadership and the grassroots.
Okay.
Tutu say babia empinu wo some my colleague Kwesi Kunadu Menshia North.
Menshia North.
Now in fact, because say this guy, this worker say won't you. Now you drew Menshia South Napo. Napo say me na nani otumfo. Otumfo introduce Dr. Baumia chere me say ne banono. Ato na jemai. Sompa FM. Nti me ne hwan say ne me na e ka no me moa me papa. Nti say obi hu say me ye adwuma denden de ama Dr. Baumia. Monkai say me na ahye me say me moa me papa because we introduce me actually say ne ba. To one guy say koye adwuma ma no kora untimi internase. It's been over say me kan yakọ 20 constituencies so far. The only constituency where you drew a member of parliament any around Adansia so kwa honorable Katie Amount. But we know say no you engaged. Oh baby. Yeah. New Edubiase, Honorable George Odro, former MP, constituency chairman. After na be competition, obia pese oka bibi. Ama doctor who say meka ho bi. Ni nyina na mimi hunu no say eye nipa nyame ehwu a kire yen say 2024. Sa phrase aye de aba it is possible no. Na nura na mi hunu ne kese e wo dwabin. Say vice president here any campaign wa bana sorry them Zongo chiefs imams nyinaba just to welcome him.
Oh, sorry them.
Roman sorry them ojabi. And so far yako 20 constituencies. Irena yako 24. 20 no. E move 15 na ye no sorry them. 15 sorry them. 15.
Is it strategic or what?
Yeah, name say constituency ne choose to venue. In fact, you drag go. Yeah,
there's a crowd in Intina movie say sorry ne betia. You go be a community center kese bi any hosa.
Because be am fan say na community center no so enough. Yeah, no ho. New Edubiase. Community center no large, yeah, community center. Akrofrom, yeah, no assembly building. And no crowd no strategically unim say the intra. Sa constituencies ni na yeah no. Sunday no. Ne anya no sorry them go ni na Sunday. No nyina sorry was session. The fan say you drew a crew from an open 9. Sorry ho. If you drew new Edubiase, say 11:45. Now sorry was session. If you new Edubiase no. You be drew Adansia Sukwana. Sorry for a point. You mo sorry name. You free wa. You ba for me na any acquire no akrokere communication. Tetelesta swami. Na just say what shall hokekana. Obia pese o kire ma yehu say doctor say wudru soro ho a ya kai say your constituency we yenso ye yesi. And a mean crime say party officer say breaking the 8 is really possible with Dr. Baumia. And aside near ye can say no say ohwe niema bia na ye di kan ati say oh yes stronghold the Akan areas. Nti yempe obi a free those areas no bi. Na lidi and send a bear off for no best sorry no. Me who no say okay kana strongholds no one say no cry no. Young crofo or no be anywhere when you support no. So with baby a year young fan say your Waterloo and your opposition stronghold. Ah ye signs say we can enter there strongly. Now you say evidence from the 2020 elections, it gives me much hope, much confidence. With Dr. Bawumia, we are breaking the 8. Because coming up, Dr. Bawumia, before 2020, 31 seats are the original northern region. Now 3 regions, northeast, northern, savannah, 31. Now NDC was 27, near 4.
Sompa FM.
2020 elections after. Now MPP was 16. NDC was 15. With Bawumia as running mate. The Omanhene say what will happen with Bawumia as the leader. And I me near Panyinfobi me call conference bo boga. Panyinfobi am share mo. One thing will be you introduce me say by then SRC president. Na me constituency secretary. Panyin no smart say enfrɛ me. O say hey, mo party nya say MP o. Na mo dey ati say mo mpɛ asɛm. Na o dey one day mo mayi mo bi kwan mo be hunu. Na anya me nwanwa say changes are hunu no wo the northern region. Na minim say ye be hunu ne massive 2024. And no ye one trump card. Because no wonder say for my main fast same way nka ho say. All the 10 aspirants are aging for MPP April flag bearer. Every one of them be a better president than John Dramani Mahama. Everyone. But you say
Akosio Fosu has a different mind.
Oh, you see?
So Akosio Fosu, former minister, your mama person, or say you have failed.
Aspiring running mate.
Or say you have failed.
But he go to his constituency. He was the Rose local government minister. But the constituency
yes. Or say none of your aspirants is a threat to the NDC. Akosio Ponfosu.
Let me tell you one thing. NDC today, Anopa, Area, Enyumri, Anajo, Odana also there, Ohunu Bawumia.
And it's for the Ohunu Bawumia.
So man this ni better na isia. O man the topic say you say topic we. On your topic no abra Bawumia di mamu mienza.
Obeja kan Bawumia.
You say minimum. Now Alhaji Sofo Azoka say no can. Was he's dangerous. So they should do everything possible to prevent him from becoming the MPP flag bearer. This opposition for tonight and I plan to say, yeah, more modern here, sir, went to me, microphone and him no by no bit in general, not your man view on one constituency grad this time, no, or shaky. No, say, oh, must be make a statement because super said they catch the eye of their field leader.
Who is their field leader?
Now, when the MDC leader from
your mama.
Running mate to president to flag bearer to fighting for flag bearer or saying a flag bearer no they call him unim ni statements no be way to the bia man who say some bibiri e koso say ya sending microphone ben no statement na no making no Kenya USD utum say ohia support support the young vibrant person. Dr. Bawumia has just been a vice president but the 5 northern regions today or records St. John Mahama, who has been in politics for 30 years as MP, as deputy minister, as vice president, as president, and as flag bearer. Opa ko na yen chere say we nya akwanya akosom wa ban mu no na yewotimi de bre yeni.
Our northern region so.
Ni region savannah kept requesting for over 30 years no more per region. Savannah region. Meaning say we are aware. Now your Savannah Youth Conference every year that was their major concern. Obey vice president, ne running mate to vice president or conference maybe or more demand or show more boss will be to one among. I feel yeah chain or mabo mabu so more conference. If you are president, no chain no more invite Dr. Bawumia as a running mate to MPP than him and not your president. Now if Savannah Youth Conference or more friend because man was to me more. Ampa truly. Bawumia came in just first 4 years as vice. They got their Savannah region. Northeast are not on Grenada, so Benyani region. Northeast na regional developments so they trust him. Kwembe hene na kachre Dr. Baumia said, don't see anybody to be for Savannah. Savannah you fee. Do check wufie no ma fa haka ho bi. O hen kese man in the Paramount Chief or Savannah region. Nti Omanhene yen de ye wa de kese a esombo and ye NDC per se obey in the year 2000. The MPP say in the year 2008. The NDC per se obey in 2016 and anye yi no. Yen yes with Dr. Baumia. It is possible 2024. It is possible.
It is possible. It's a cliche. It's a jargon. It's a word. Why do you think and why are you insisting? It is possible with the economy. It is possible with Ghanaians understanding that Yetu Abama Baumia say ne beba. As for the MPP, more calm, more bar pro. Yeah, their research Abeninacha say he's in the lead. You are not going to vote for a flag bearer.
Yeah.
Because you can have a flag bearer and you will not have power. Dear Nagana Phobe Time Jinaso, from now to December, I can say, Baumia
go.
Yeah, to Abama.
Medasi. Omanhene, you were records as NPP. Near here in 2024. Enye Juma ya no de ni hia no se bitima bo ho dawro 2024 ne say will be united behind our candidate. That is the only thing that say aye ka say MPP here, because say yekoye records musa aban a Omanhene just 5 minutes na me nkyere wade.
Me too.
NPP in 6.5 years aye acquiring any government in the Fourth Republic. NPP in 6.5 years I rehabilitate airports. Aye constructions were Ghana airports in any government in the history of Ghana. NPP in the Fourth Republic I construct interchanges than any government in the history of Ghana. NPP in less than 7 years aye railway than any government since Bronyini free Ghana. Bibini bia ni wa the president including Nkrumah what the 1 inch of railway as for Ghana railway so. But and a bia nye complete rehabilitation to send an another buying air and western rail line and son a full construction from Tema to Mpakadan for the first time in Africa. A railway bridge.
And I'm so.
Nanadwa buying na ye. It's our record. You will be bigger. For the first time, rural telephony, say fa network and konkurase MPP abaya yes in any government in the history of Ghana. For the first time, classrooms, say yen siman kwada ankomu school, nanadu abaya sisi any government in the history of the Fourth Republic. For the first time, nanadu abaya aye libraries, saying any government in the history of Ghana. Libraries ayen ye betwe. Renovations ayaye ninye yesiaka ho no government yeba power na Ghana nyina astroturfs 3 na Ghana me kai say mrebi korokokobo match bi o Morocco ebedru na complaints ne say ye ni astroturfs to amkodru ye no omutumi bobo no so omo hye omo na ye ka say na nado abasi 136 astroturfs
from 3
ye the 136 3 no na aban ni bi na ye ankura dia. But buying so was astroturfs. Na nado abasi 136. Swami ha mo two.
Yeah.
Baako obremai. Baako achire ha. Me boa.
Bantama or 3.
Bantama or 3. So you can imagine before MPP ba power now astroturf near Ashanti region.
Maybe.
But 2 regions were constituencies per 5. You can imagine. It is a make us a meba. Your records of 45 things. Na nado aban na ye ne records in Ghana. Dini aka ne say ye wie se mepe Omanhene mepe David Boakye nti mi hunu ne obi aye ne nyina ye kabom na fe ye de yen records to Ghana fo anima Ghana fo be hunu ne pa Dr. Baumia as vice. But since when Omanhene enye strange from 1992 Dr. Baumia na ye the 6th vice president in the Fourth Republic. Chreme vice president aye de abayamamua measure no pen. So Rollins abaya nye ye akantra
akana ye
Rollins abaya nye ye Tamils as vice president. Kufuor to me ya dear pa because Aliu Mahama na ye. Atamos anya dear now ya dear because John Mahama. And John Mahama ya dear one ya dear adum so we dear pa dear Misata. But today, Ghana for whom the intelligence level, Ghana for whom Nepal what Dr. Baumium, the people who say, Akweni obe to me Ukrainian you. That is why they are measuring him. And that is why say Ghana for whom say near ye ne better output and 2017 to 2019 from COVID time. And then I say who say COVID no be 2 years. Russia Ukraine war be peace. Or might be a kwa him, but near travel intelligence, I acquire offer so we won't free. That is why just about 3 months ago, now your inflation was 54. Now I be 32. You see it? That is why within the COVID 2020, or might be a grow negative. Now Ghana grow just 1%. None just within this quarter, yet me grow more than 4.5%. Iti how no dear beba eno na nyame ma mampanyini sisu di akere Ghana man e wo ne fellow Ghanaians address no mu se ye nim se ne ye hyehye sikasem ba ye nim se ne ye gini pankwa e ba biu nti ye mo ni pankwa ho ban o man no sikasem de be ginsamu ba ye wia ye de adwene ne nim de be san akeka bom ne hyehye ne biu. That is why UK etimi ko 40-year high inflation. Within the last 6 months, there is no government sector in UK any call strike and a demonstration.
Yeah.
Because of cost of living. France, etimi a demonstration on cost of living and no other pension beka hui. Germany, the biggest economy in Europe. Now kotwa dia ye rushing. Say oh, anwa we wuntimi nto nkotwa mi nu. To ba ko na ko. Na wonua bi mra na o menya bi. Na mrepam. Nigeria and to oil kese power Africa. Because of these crashes into Nigeria sunlight to fuel, Ghana sunlight that. The whole of 2014, Ghana Nibia Kore, June, August, September, October, November, Ghana for baby sunlight to fuel. Now Ghana uncle crisis way. But a your crisis, yen na doom sum. Your crisis, yen fuel, uko dudua upebia ubenya. UK. Just last 2 months. Now ubenya fuel atwa. Ya shisha ni priority. Health workers first. It is a who the card be drew out. Be sure who card. Oh, me a teacher ni. Or say there be endru also. My health workers nun told me. The health workers are more hamumra. Mutoria yaba security. Na security for beto. And son yaba education. Na other sectors are follow. By Ghana ha. Opa pon jumai. Na kase uko fele waka akotna lake. Akwa juweni. Ube to me a fele tanker di wechi. Ube fuel ato. This is what we talk about governance. But I will say, at the year my referee, Tina make actually say, from Fourth Republic, oh my, what traffic any matchery? Mr. Tadma, when I was Kesbin, na yanya kwa yada. Opa, chere me say, e kon cancer aka, I'm a vice president aka Ghana di wini ha. One. Okay. And now John Evans Atamils are mayor vice president from 7th January 97 to 7th January 2001. Kagana enia diwi. Ya papa Aliu Mahama be boy papa kufuor pa. Obo ahu ni die hu da Europa. But only legacy sa die we die Aliu Mahama ni ho anka Ghana mo benefit bi ni ho.
Okay.
We did not have anything. Your mama there cried there saying, "Onu catch say he was the luckiest vice president. He was almost the president. Because none president in one for that to cry. But only record on the cried there from 97 as MP to 2016 as president. Adea Akye Abia say Ghana ni ya say si ote so am chire hey. What this one for so because your mama na dey buy. No. Amisata none. On the na cry say no mo fa nye into on the yem fa nkan yen sympathize with him you know to. But today before 2017, na tabi panyini bi wona kura bi ase na oyare. Na insurance awua, okodi line kofa car. Na wabetra insurance officer be di line. Na niti anye yi anka ebedru no so no, na yabe announcement say panyimfo yesremo. Momfa nche network down, monko chena mo aba. Ontimi nko hospital. Today, adwini bi a individual, adwini Now what tenase no who say beye adwuma it is possible say bibini betumi ayonti no na utimi de phone uti studio ya wie na obekọ check up obetuma renew insurance we insurance obetuma registration before coming of MPP Nanado Dr. Baumia na se okoye mobile money we sit down ha obi beka kire say o me de me MTN tu pe boda fon ko wanim. So we hear any amount from your banker. Now the other can say, "Menya intentem manager me say o meba be yi say, nti me say o meba am priority me pentem, just o ko di line o bank. Enne wuti hey ubetimi a bank. Yi scarf free accounts ma to u phone so e dey ato na e wo dey to. Ubetimi yi scarf free phone so dey ato bank accounts. Mobile money interoperability, the largest in Africa. Because of one person. We call Dr. Baumia. Nti sa niema we nyina ye ka no hwe me kai se emra odwene se yemfa drone emra ne ebinom ka ne se oh ya di betwa ma pictures ma edware meaning sa how people think. That is why they always think of impossibility. But today me am region atebubu a walk up akwada bi ni papa ne bedru ho. Yes, baby a venom war in the region. Just a Techima Holy Family Hospital. Doctor, Nusumunya Butre, Mamu Yamun Chishimo. Mention ye me to me, no fre Ketikrachi drone service. Within 25 minutes, na snake anti venom, Abame the Adea Akye Abia. We can remember Dr. Baumia for that. Iti, say, Nipa behead attack, you know, and I castle obey economy. Now, I was a banker before I resigned to become the regional secretary. There is no bank in Ghana, or even put 3 of our big banks together, their total deposit, a new total deposit of mobile money. Now the economy is shifting to digital environment. The you can't obey economy, but now all digitalization. Hey, nanka ube some places are less than 2 quarters. Transactions are costing over 600 billion. Me bank back say within 1 year, the whole transactions are up to 600 billion. Now at Ghana, we kept taxing banks. I was a banker, me say me te hobby. A bank here is Kabia and what the Bibia ban or the Abeto Bank for us because it is cow hobby. But then we are relaxing the economy. Inti Nipa Bebre can choose to talk on the hardships we have gone through. We accept it. Young Johnny Free home. Dr. Baumia accept to say yes. Yeah, go through hardship. Oh my, I didn't say go through hardships. Why did Biden complain? He said shipping companies. Uber to me, though before COVID, now my 40-footer container, transportation, $3,000. Because of COVID, they have moved to between $10,000 to $12,000. The let's assume, for an example, me and me krum techima, oko for a bro 1 bag. No abeton, oko abeton 300 Ghana. Uber driver I do 100 Ghana. Obi do 100, I can eko 500. I feel oko techima no, oko so. And I'm say, nsuo tonti akuya phone to me kwa kakra to me akona mane boy edin. Ti abro na free 3 ko 500. 2 driver ni say oh, and I'm so to bebrebe ntino. Ka bia ntumi nkonti me nko to me a load because me dey mo container a betimi dey ahyem so mo no. Nti menye 100 biu. From now me 300 per bag. So automatically price of a Bruno for the end to 800 Ghana. Price of a Bruno. 2 bedroom now do the kahua 900. So a bit else now send Radam 2500 and no do 900. You have to explain. Nipo a rational human being be to us here. That is why Ghanaians are beginning to understand the MPP government.
Hold it there for me. Thank you, David Boakye, Regional Secretary. Mame Emma Mr. Honorable Oforiajiman. Zuba, MC, former MC of Wasi. Zuba Mami too.
Yo, what is it?
Me who your pa now swear.
Yes, I do. Me who your book. Dedi kai. Me charity for me chair this for ma. I'm to me na utie me odi ho.
Oh, same comment here about economy. Debbie. I raised an issue. He says they can break the 8, and I'm saying, what is it with it? Or meet me break the 8 and Ghanaians. Debbie. That's not coming from her.
But me Sompa. And Kamisa Gari pa Anyaka say Bugari no. What I say? But then now see Yanka economy there. Martin. Na dedi kan. Na something we talk for. You are up him so or channel. na santimemo tumfo kasafa na chiame so tumfo nkaza mfa yenya ye ne nana no so diso tumfo nana bi be ka kire wo se me nana no tumfo me so me nana no tumfo be ka to se me nana no tumfo na me nana ese ne bani ntie nto aba ma na tumfo nana bi anya ne chiame tumfo nana bi ankasa ma no tumfo nkasa fa nti sa wano traditionally customary. Let's demystify that lie. The otu for kama matia or masum. Manachiam yesi sudria. Mama tibie. No catch a Ghana my penny. Adu prima. Say. And maybe a puma common name. A before yadi about 2 tia will be no. Auntie and say, young cancer wants to say 1 to 2 no my ya. Yeah, they come near ni bre. About 2 about here. Come near ni bre grade 2 near woman. Did he not come at the 1 to 2 no my ya? Yeah, they come near the baby 2, and also the day 2024. Yeah, they come and near ni bre a bit 2 over. Now, mobile me ya moke kaki came. Now, no, Casabodu, or yeah, in anymore. How did the dama, no ya? Move or see will be a part of them. When it Togo Jason and Togo Kambu, there's something wrong with Brandon. I'm who's a winner Libya. Conform. Baunim. Insane on when you're my girl. We should be a Baku. Richard Nyama. That's what I true for. Also, 10 each from each constituency, appointment for 10 people within each constituency. Now the guy started enumerating them.
I saw my mom today.
I say, Richard Jama said about me, he's telling the executives that he's meeting, say, Nyamiana do no baby demon penya, and the Sadum Sunyamiano. Obama constituency be our appointment 10. And Richard Yama on the MPP, no, or Casama and Chamati campaign. On also has more work and they say, oh, boy, Satan or Hodada. Munya that now one started listed or listed 10 in now. Mammy TB. So the question I was asking was, assuming without admitting that he's going to do that, give you the opportunity. Not 10 you order day. If he's going to add up extra 10, and the best is Sompa FM. Oh, what do I say? A very best the back say, but wouldn't be anywhere in this, you know. So we catch you say that you're fasting, now you're poor beer, you know. Then you bow me and your bonfire buana or bois. The empire bonina, and it's already. Tea and so free. No, we are more. Man, my address were mood dry, yenti mean swap. Near where we 10 in the Moaba. Na de bon 2000 pa ya Maumiano.
Dr. Maumiana Munstro no cry.
Only a bon 2000 Ni sent in say. A dear the perfect or your truffle on can of crack. One no coffee. Ah, you know, Saint Tamana, ya can't a pragia once and over on boss or the taxi by baby replace it. Away.
Yeah, Sompa.
And your man, we are the nearly 3 days here, and also watch $1. Ed Nato said, Afaki. And I pay me back, me who not easy junction. Convoy. But over here, Monchimonko, I feel the car is going at a snail pace. And it's one bus and I must see a jib or two baby. Wait. So, Tuesday junction. They can't refer motor bear force a 5 in the dinner in police cars. But it's going out because Monchimonko are galleys. And that is an area where the affluent in Kumasi live. There are people who control businesses. Omu now with TUC in Shire so ahojo daban. Na omu adivonu podi enie. Na omu achomaboko. If you must go to and this is what they are giving to the people of Kumasi. This will be a delegate, and I mean they don't even constitute about 10% of the Ghanaian populace. Be a delegate now, Neniaji, Wanyaka. I heard them because you know, I said I'm about delegates for also. Wanyaka, no board yo. What they say? No more cable. I dance to qua chairman. Minimum. Minimum Koku Ramos, the chairman. Near Bakubi come over dance to call. Indeed, no, mammy, very tough for my baby. Any more fast obey chairman. The fact that the consistency chairman is for you does not mean that everybody there is for you. 80 baby I ground on your man no. E bon pa say. Mom pa me achi, tane chi. Mom wa wo na MPP for no nyini mra. Now sometimes omo out your mukasa na they make a Akufo-Addo look useless. Then they'll ask a question. And vice president so if the vice president has a legacy, then what is the president's legacy? And the most absurd comment I will ever hear from anybody who did the MPP say will be digitization. Do you see National Fiber Optic Center, which then becomes the backbone of the digital evolution of Ghana? Not the Kawadi.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
The National Data Center, no? One a year.
Your mama.
So without that, can we have any proper digital functioning?
Sompa FM.
Obviously, they are now the farmer. What's it me feel? Can we be serious for once? What is the government's contribution in private mobile telephone companies extending coverage?
What is it?
Because the infrastructure is borne by the individual companies themselves. What is government's direct contribution to that? You see, you can't point tangible things.
3.1.
Meaningful things, and then they'll just come. We have constructed roads than any other government. How many kilometers? Sitting here in Kumasi, how many kilometers of road have they constructed? Please. They have done spot maintenance of roads in Kumasi and rehabilitations, most of them which are deteriorating. I'm giving you examples. Now, now the 1 inch of asphalt. Have you constructed it? You have rehabilitated the existing road with the existing structure.
Asphalt overlays.
Yeah, that's rehabilitation. And you see, so for the Greater Kumasi project in the document now. Then this whole thing that they are doing in Kumasi tells me that these people don't have the people of Kumasi. Because in the Greater Kumasi project, the final day that we did the final consultative meeting, that meeting, Benito Usubio was there, Dr. Richard and then Ishaya's member of parliament was there. And that day, Dr. Richard and made a lot of meaningful contributions to the finalization of the document. In that document, we realized that time I constructing in Kumasi roads, vehicles are never registered population was not up to 600,000.
Sompa FM.
Currently, as we speak, the vehicle population that we have in Kumasi is over 1.6 million. Human habitation, Nendru and that. Anti-designer, Kumasi in 1984, I did completely
become extinct.
It has outlived its usefulness. The whole of Kumasi, Kumasi could be in o started free tech Faraga Junction Befa Boabu Post Office
airport
roundabout Fadi Chemso Befa Bantwa Befa Krufum Befa Hey Kucham Ho Maku Ediba Esa de Befa Batima.
That's Kumasi Ring Road.
Sa Koko si Efa
interchange
Asokwa Itajena spaces air for parking. Air for parking. Was a car ejina ho. So this one me the ebe kan ho air 14. We saw me have free man, 10. Meanwhile, at every stretch, Ubon said Trotro Jina, Fenipa. In the Trotro, virtually, Omujina car quanimu. And the Fenipa.
Oh, Kakusi say.
Make Kakusi say. Adiamu Yawahi. And yet, what Kumasi deserves is an Amodema warm. even the maintenance na mo ye no asphalt be very na nso na run faster with small drains, existing old small drains designed in 1984. 80 say you are contributing to floods in Kumasi. You are creating problems for Kumasi. Now I've heard the deputy minister for sports, Bobie, and Chai, and I'm sure your sports people love it. So come Morocco no who say sa astrotef na my one and yen for so bien so. Say Chema expire and your papa. Your deputy minister for sports and about me. That's what he says. Nyame. Now the astrotef is they're thinking it's reckless. Kwasi. I didn't hear astrotef no. To develop talents. Meboa. Develop talents. Create some environment for us to nurture them. Let them make use of their full potential, and then they can come and impact on the economic growth of the country, right? As to the fair way, it didn't inquire, immediately inquired to me about so well.
Tieska.
Oh, Tieska. A tobacco, for my control mobile phones, and I don't know about Tieska, no matter light, no much now. International house, one say. What is contributing to sports development? You see, they just do things because of slogans. Proper alignment with projects, they don't know how to do it. And then why I'm catching so I'm in touching that don't mean I August. My country. So I'm August. Yeah. Don't you have that video in prediction and Basel? We know them.
Tita change no mo nya na because on be born
there me buy and so video na
also on ba be fit there be na
mu catch on ba be na mu a dia ko by January to April omo hwe na sa abato no heat na ba omo erect pillars by force run about because I mean the anyama I was say here ancillary roads or such mess about now cars where are they? This is an N9 road. It takes vehicular traffic from Tama to as far as Niger. All the big trucks that access this road, bypass on the moment away. So you see, if the preparatory work for the main project has not been done, and you tell me that you're coming to execute the superstructure,
Sompa FM,
you're telling me a lie. You don't know what me. Me catch you say the whole idea. Uti omorina chairman, no see. As I the first time in country say, so don't saka buanka, now don't saka so I'm in touch in the way you cry about woman. So they just want to live that fantasy. Yafi sanka you cry about woman, so that the people of Kumasi would see us to be doing something for them and get election. But you see, Kumasi for they have gone beyond this thing. And me, if I look at the figures that came out of Kumbewu and the one that came out of Ase North, it gives me hope. Because the combined effect of what took place in Kumewu and Athena gives an indication that in terms of electoral fortunes, the MPP is diminishing. And if you fix that one against the result that came out of the 2020 elections and that of 2016 election, it tells you who is on the rise.
To a home me basis here. Miso drink and 5G. Drink a wow to say when you be buba ko anim. And your drink say drink beer you the preservatives gum. It's natural and you can understand say fat taster 5G. What take ginseng? What take green tea? Grapefruit, grapes and a guarana. All these kabom Emma 5G a dance. You want miso. You want a mixed fruit and you want mango. Wedding, engagement, outdooring, parties are more ye. Abedin tioni ninada. Monfan kwasye. No be banal 7 or timisampa wako baby. Miso fruit drink. Sounds also an aperitif also. Ye different Italy, herbs, spices, and fruits near kabum. I am non-alcoholic. Let me say ninada. May come from our swami. DC house say baby we are first floor benya biato. Oko PM manager Daniel 21st clinic overseas. Be kind supermarket sister sewa post office anomanye. Sounds so na Domini Asumdwe Junction, what Tra Baptist University pe Boakye Abia. PNC Ventures one man taxi station. Yeni Charity Hospital Junction no edi hwe animu and an Asachi Enterprise. Asafo Abinchi, baby omo VIP car park ni wonyina edi hwe animu. From 0246270221. 0246270221 and at 0558 106348 0558 106340 Otu Asikan Rural Bank. Yeah, current account, savings account, fixed deposit, and a susu. Na susu account no toa. But many do a couple home and Sunday the abobosia. Yeah, mofra infant minor savings account akolani da chinti. Otu Asikan aton sefra say, we are buying ejuma ni now per salary loan salary advancer. Bra. Susu loans no so ewo honomo. Afei a year na be fie per bosia. Wow, business asa se unya sika bi di asem business loan wo micro groups abia come ho abo mienu miensa momra ye beboa mo ye hia collateral ne guarantor bia Western Union money transfers mobile money Ghana Pay MTN Momo ni nyina da frey e 0504842957 0504842957 ena Ubehu ya okufiase ye headquarters Mampo Adra Sipebu ko abofo macro yene historic Adventist Hospital ding hwe ne mun kenken so ame market ya Dr. Mensa Solansa building no ube ehu ye se koko ena edi unya we here 3A Herbal Center co capsules aye the cocoa master ye de no de enkan baba bi se wo no ma age se otena fie 3 days betim de akwadwuma nanso ensa ma ye muntim Coco no asia bese na ayisisiade afri ho 3A co capsules the cocoa master pendoso porto 0546107107 0546107107 Colinac Danny Heba Misty any apedanki nyina Kennedy digital satellite Open 17-inch television, Ecoprim 65 inches, satellite smart and curve. Your tabletop fridges are a double door 90 liters to 500 liters. Your chest freezers 100 to 900 liters. Air conditioners 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 horsepower. Your powerful home theaters are outdoor fufu pounding machine. Your dear. If you dear to be in your commercial so sewing machine your home the industrial washing machine your domestic any commercial one is 7 kg to 10 kg what the answer popcorn no what you see if now tom gas and electric so there ho so any dual core laptop i3 i5 i7 touch screen when you nan obenya bi abra call Kennedy digital satellite wager old barrier Kokrobite Junction one crime traffic light nase pay 0244 385136 0244 385136 Kumasi Family Plaza Boss FM on chain first floor Patasi Adom House building of first floor Kennedy Junction 0244 385128 Dimpa Natural Health stomach or salad stopper Dimpa wo hodma yam tutu obotse show when it's brew what I want na honam ya boho ni nyina e symptoms of ulcer now kopie dimpa ye be detox battery fia ni paduam ye the local and foreign natural herbal products and ye de be kawo obeda pa say your stomach ulcer there and now ye de wunhunu de ye na mabobo symptoms so there ye dimpa 0245 118434 0245 118434 0247 744 744 na ye kwe anima anesa na bibia so dadin Lexta Ghana Limited ye the Yas washing powder abedwa so ye the Yas toothpaste abedwa so Yas sanitary pads e man nyina age atuma ye the ye hu ye wo panty liners e Yas enu ye wo baby wipes e dey farm of ran to one omunya nappy rash ye toothbrushes Yas toothbrushes no Duke, Duchess, Princess and Monarch ye complex ye kama say frosted, crispy and crunchy. While Tim saw the milk boom, I was saying no. Bomadina say Ubenya Yas products no from Leicester, Ghana 0501 390-337 0501-390-337 and 0501-390-338 Edum Otum for starting in China. I relax baby foods from Joy Wind Company Limited. I relax baby foods and quality in a deal my prom kama. About Friday the deal down sorry I don't den rice with milk, rice with banana, milk for 4 months plus babies, wheat semolina honey, 7 cereals with fruits, rice with vegetables, 7 cereals with milk. Your bottle fulls with rice pudding, egg custard, creamy porridge for 4 months plus babies. Join Company Limited. Uko supermarket Tibia na upe. Akwaledi and Yato Amaru Mfi. Relax baby foods. 0244 717082. 0244 717082 and 0501 150192. Dr. Amuzu say, Onone Heba gynecologist. Bema wa yemre wompem. Upejemu ana adira jene ho. Na trimude. Ena obema dia. Masa. Bema ni so di trimude. Obema was say gyina so. Na oba no etenka. Afei you the boy near 2 minutes now da form. Na wo te so. Obo. Ena ase Debbie usisi ya uya nti utimi nkọ kwan so se ne okọ odunso emaye anadu timi dunso saa ebi on ma dunso a na bia kam ni nyina eye prostate disorders, low sperm count, bema untimi ngo ana akote yade ana woyam tutu saa ne ma we nyina no Amuzu Herbal Clinic Mauji Hiochalo. Amuzu Herbal Clinic Mauji Hiochalo. The Herbal Gynecology, Tafo Club 600, Moro Marketing Chain, Kumasi Hauniawo, Achimota Christian Village, opposite Prima Filling Station, Sunyani Area 3. So, and Albert Fred 0247 776 743. 0247 776 743. Amuzu Herbal Clinic, Mauji Hiochalo, your destination travel service. Obeso Koje Visa Tukain, Yebeboao. Now, you now say hotel booking. Now, confirmation of air tickets. No matter holiday package. Wahoma busia. Ewoma obanu okrum person we where the moko animuna. You bet my Jevisa amount. We a student, undergrad, postgraduate, diploma. Opesa unya student visa. When you know your promotion packages at the Canada, USA with work permit and 10 years multiple visa for business. Anyone more moko and slash UK, Europe. Work permit, teachers, nurses, doctors, auxiliary nurses, Amokwako Siadiano. When you know, Australia, and also to call Dubai, Qatar, now Turkey, now Kofaniema, and also Pesoya tourist. Bombotina Fred 0257 298 084 0257 298 084 0206 748 767. Nabibia Ecosu Kama Joe Apple Electricals, Yang and the cable wires, papa, signal cables, papa, copper wires, papa. Yes, electricity no galego, na Joe Apple cable with the carrier. A Japan house, MTN PZ branch, no, you didn't do anymore. RCC taxi station, Wape, you 2.5 meter cable with the connector or air conditioning and say heat your products in heat resistant. Ghana Standard Authority Ajiatum, Upe cable papa, Upe copper wires, and then in Crony Badia di Jumadia from 1.5 meter copper, air copper 16 millimeters there. From 1.5 millimeter copper to 60 millimeters there. Unyane bebia copper papa. Cable papa, signal cable papa, the Joe Apple. Or the form can form or I mean the America. And come electrician, quack electrician be uncle to wires or baby. Non question fear, Uncle Coon, you know, but Uncle say will be a Juma 0246 90 58 98 0246 90 58 98 and a 0543 93 45 50 0543 93 45 50. My brother David, what is Zuba? Okay.
Am I?
Yes, my brother.
Me did this Kumasi Rose master plan. Me no say in 1984 no. Outlive ni usefulness na nyana na do kwa kwa time here. Governments babeto sa plan no. Ansa na do ba. Me did this the people of Kumasi will appreciate the quarter-inch asphalt than to move in potholes. Aban bi by. Na master plan wo ho. Ada ho over 30 years. Uhuni eba 1 years or there. Do better now the measure this current government and now magana for who how usefulness aban we ye niema bi na aban ebetwam no went to me amwaye. Oman okay last week. You were kuje to abrakwa kaso the expose bi aba abontin from Ministry of Communications. Never them. rural telephony contract with Huawei.
Yeah.
MTN for the more man Vodafone. Contract no.
Huawei.
Yeah.
I buy.
Two better na catch say rural telephony. Networks na buy him here. Sometimes you see simple reading can help us. 155 million euros. Na buy the telephone konkurasi e bi ni ho. But at 20 better ha and network for na dey call. Wherever na dey call. Please. Simple research will help us out. Gifek. Contract no Huawei na Honorable Abraham Asante Kofi Asante former NDC MP oba MPP no na chief executive or single call obetima ho enti obi dey mrepam ofre na obebo am wo hunu ne ese we Omanhene nim ye ni plans a ye tumi asi 136 astroturfs a enye useful kramfa nse ye mura ye sisi ball aso at least na Ghana team be qualifies for international level a obenya baabi a ye training and ye better than say na nkra wo 3 akotoko mfa say ya astroturf inye kra enye ode nipa kra tia so a betu aka ne nan mu but at least ye will be and Wembley for a no the same Wembley for no e bi wo London the same astroturf you can call the Wembley chief executive only foreign English teams our contractor or maintain some of their parts.
Sompa FM.
Two friend no actually me send this for say ne astroturfs ni useless. Why? Me da say hono ye behunu. Na
3 minutes.
Me da say nti say Adea want to me anyo. So be you are sabe me nyin ni say na adoba government yi e na so am run about be da ho. Me wo West Koha, the DSRC president. That be a hand here, so I'm run about at the whole years before Fourth Republic. Me boy, na Kumasi master plan no. Yeah. NDC for be there buying from Rollins at Amos John Mahama no. Na sa master plan no. Hono ya paper ho if you was so am da ho. Dia say to me kura dia ma contractor. Now the second kura be gina so do you will hope say buying wa adwene so be. That hope is better than obi a wanwene ho kra. This a nail contract obetimi e raise pillars a yenim said that be because ye be na this yes pillars and ka be e de ato so. Oma me wa say ye ba power no na so am interchange no aban bi yes pillars na ka be at the next level no say ye nko free ba bi e de ato no say ye fe ne ye be do ho ye tu amana si pillar. Boakye Inland Port. President Rawlings na launch in 1995. On the toss asin to oji to at the 1995. Boakye Inland Port is 20 years older than Nanado's government. This a ne contractor or no timi kura cut land no. Na debi wan ye kura no obi cut o de yemfa say or cut ne tie nko afri ho. Debi obi ba say obeya onye cutting bio. Sa ban NDC hunu say Boakye ho eye cutting a ka na eba ye no ye nye cutting. Ba ne ko ho na ko hwe ne ye koso. Sometimes unim ya na difficult say Adea want to me and you be I will try say you denigrate maybe I'll start your they have that mindset of impossibility. But that's the difference between MPP and DC. This mobile money interoperability.
Last one.
What I'm saying this about the first contract. $1.2 billion. Meaning so away. Yeah. MPP buy say hey $1.2 billion mobile money interoperability. Dr. Baumiaso on Tiasie. You trust our contract no you earn $4.5 million. $4.5 million. A new 50 million. Now 100. Now 200 million. That $1 billion. No. That is the extent wickedness and Domama by the Ghana room. $1.2 billion. Project eddie $4.5 million between me. So if we are talking about governance, Gadia we nko me I will choose Baumia 100 times over Mahama.
I mean you.
They're not serious. Who was speaking about Kumasi Master Plan? I owe 1984. Me say, this current design I owe it was planned and designed in 1984. Now that time I hear no vehicles were do 600,000. As at now, over 1.6 million. That is why under John Mahama's regime, we decided to do a Greater Kumasi project document. That is what to say that there was a master plan existing in 1984 that has to be executed. What I say? Now, this is it. The Greater Kumasi project was that Yema Kumasi MBA, it is the hub of business activities in the country.
Sompa FM.
It trade commerce activities or say they plan to, and it must go with infrastructure. So the first thing is that, okay, where are you going to do? The Central Business District, I should give them KGTR, expand their selling place, let trade and commerce boom, and they will look at the other ones. Plan. Then we realize that we a free Kumasi Central area. They be called the periphery. So we needed to create activities, spaces for activities related to trade and commerce. Atonsu market, Tafu market, Aswase market, Amaga Jene market, Kwadaso. So we had laid out a clear plan. Now the second phase that was supposed to take place post 2016, because the document was completed in 2015, and they started post 2016. That was 2017. We were going to redesign Kumasi and take care of access, mobility, trunk roads, alleys, and all carefully designed. It's here penny power during Kumasi. That is why did the biggest structure in Ghana to house the Registrar General's Board in Diabaha, so that trade and commerce can flourish here in this region. That is why I did the largest building to house the Lands Commission to manage land issues in Kumasi, so that businesses can flourish without problems with land acquisition. Having realized that the media is the fourth estate of the realm, and as we speak, it has created a lot of employment opportunities for teeming people, and the chunk and the best come from the region here in Ashanti, and for that matter, Kumasi. We created the National Communications Authority building here, a house GIPC. When it comes to infrastructure for the people of Kumasi, you can't compare MPP and NDC. And I'm saying that, I'm telling you, that when John Mama comes in 2025, January, God willing, you'd see that this lazy work, MPP and have faith in the good people of Kumasi, because anytime I go out and I meet them, what they tell us is that MPP for here for and go to a doom and ask.
Okay.
Here for and anytime be and this baby be Nasika by Ebutum, MPP for bar, Nasika for a panther. And it is because for the very first time, under the useless economic management team chairman, 88 members of a willing party's government says that finance minister, the boss, vice president, more bond here in fuel. It has never happened.
It has never happened. This is where I'll draw the curtain on the program. Nemo man san yebe peja imuno yen share mo birthdays. Tony Sak Electronics asoya sene. I'm here the birthdays Bremo. So kopio sunyane Bomadina, Sauko Pemo Sunyania, Yami Adman 28. Yadi Jumadias Ronco buy baby property, electronics, ano, Sunyan Coco board runabout na, Oye Terminano, any dish any mupe, Oba Duma, as the Karam Quantum Pomo, Alfred Western Methodist Sania Obi, Yakoto, chest freezer, deep freezers, air conditioner, inverter, and one side Wi-Fi. Cookers, washing machines, chimney mukama, kettle blenders, microwave oven, electric irons. About home appliance, the name is Property Electronics. Give us a call 0244 266 193 0244 266 193 and 0508 108 337 and crying 0500 309 309 0500 309 309 and now Jaden Israel say boating and Jaden at the passewa boating Omawoda Jaden Israel say boating and Tafo and Jayla Jaden and Jada. From your mom Matilda Free H Martin. To my daughter Edna Usu Ajiman of Efia Kobi Girls Senior High School. From Daniel Usu Ajiman of Ezra FM. Deborah of Jachi Pramso. Today is your birthday. PK of Sompa TV and FM. Reverend Isaac Usu Bempa, blessed birthday. Hey! Ada Bempa. And then I would resident minister, Power Chapel, IPT. Nayami Aduma 30th July, almost share signs and tokens. I say, Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa. Oh, boy, a powerful say. But I know. I when he say, this man has been a man of God of repute for years. Power Chapel, so for Penny, Victor Sibuati, right hand man. And what Dino Cray. Papa, today, I salute you. Happy birthday to you. And then we have Mrs. Hannah Tiwa Efrifa of Asante Fijasi. From your husband, Reverend Okateche Frifa. Blessed birthday, Okateche Frifa Ezrana. Blessed birthday to Adiza Suleiman, SRC Vice President, Confanoche Nursing and Midwifery Training College from Abuaji Ashtown. Glorious birthday to Mr. Samuel Jabuni of Pristia Sankofa Golda, Charlie Kasho, Rembini. And this one is Emmanuel Agri, Administrator. Afrifa and Co. Udum Chempes, Udum Kumasi. Christophe Opokwa Frane of Sefibekwa, Paradise of Tormental School. Masa Nasre Kakre. Hello, I don't know what traffic. Editum, Kingswell, Opuni, all students of Pokuari from your mom. And then Benjamin Frimpong, Sales Supervisor of Multi-Choice Ghana, DSTV and GoTV. From Buffalo, Sompa FM. On the note of that, I say David Boakye, Regional Secretary Bono, is thanks so much for your time. And then Honorable Ofori Achiman, call him Zuba. Former MC Obuasi. Gentlemen, thanks so much for your time. I appreciate your moment I had with you. You're the full-time Oba. All you need to know about the Congress yesterday and all the things that came up. And Ketokreku, ni George, why, call the George day. Oh, Bonnie didn't Georgia free. And I say, Baku be swept. What's your friend say? What's your friend say? I'm going to fight to us in your baby. I was going for sit down and enjoy the apostle, the bishop, the Akomia, the Messiah, and Mickey the darling. All of them coming seated. Luther King so did Sembiaba. Yeah, Mickey darling. Yeah, Mickey. Special Mickey. What big keke.
5G. 5G energy drink where if you tire power, if you get the 5G, it will help you. Miso be mango drink, it get very energy. It get vitamin A, vitamin C, the B6. If you skin problem, it go feel help you. It go feel. Don't worry, my brother, I know say you tire.